history of the mother of Georgia.
Man, they are everywhere. They're just relaxing. And they all have a target on the ears. See that? So that kind of the names. I guess they have their names on it.
The history of the mother of Georgia, or Kartlis Deda, is closely tied to the complex and multifaceted history of Georgia itself. The monument was erected in 1958 to celebrate the 1500th anniversary of Tbilisi, the capital city of Georgia. It was designed by the renowned Georgian sculptor Elguja Amashukeli. The decision to create such a monument was part of a larger effort to commemorate Georgia's rich history and cultural heritage. The design of the Mother of Georgia is laden with symbolism. The statue depicts a woman with a sword in one hand and a cup of wine in the other. The sword represents the readiness of the Georgian people to defend their homeland, while the wine symbolizes the warmth and hospitality they extend to friends. This imagery embodies the dual nature of Georgian identity: courageous and protective, yet welcoming and hospitable. The choice of a maternal figure as a symbol of the nation is deeply rooted in Georgian culture. Throughout history, Georgia has been personified as a nurturing motherland, providing for and protecting its people. The Mother of Georgia captures this sentiment, embodying the spirit of resilience and strength that has characterized the Georgian people for centuries. During the Soviet era, the Mother of Georgia served as a symbol of Georgian nationalism and cultural identity. Despite the restrictive political climate, the monument stood as a defiant assertion of Georgian heritage and pride. It became a cherished symbol of resistance and resilience for the Georgian people.
Small monument é chamada a Mãe da Geórgia.
Over the years, the Mother of Georgia has become one of Tbilisi's most recognizable landmarks and a popular tourist attraction. Its commanding presence atop Sololaki Hill offers breathtaking views of the cityscape below. The monument's iconic silhouette has been featured in numerous photographs, postcards, and artworks, further cementing its status as a symbol of Georgian identity. Today, the Mother of Georgia remains a powerful symbol of Georgian unity, strength, and hospitality. It serves as a reminder of the nation's rich history and cultural heritage, inspiring pride and admiration among both locals and visitors alike. In essence, the history of the Mother of Georgia is intertwined with the history of the nation itself, a testament to the enduring spirit and resilience of the Georgian people throughout the ages.